All right.
Take off flaps.
I got it. Tell me where, like right there?
I gotta get used to it first.
Go ahead.
I think I'm gonna stand here. It's better. I can be behind the. I can be behind the.
Wow.
I can be behind the.
Oh yeah. Easier to see. Gigantor. Dude, that suspension makes the whole thing move when it bumps.
That's the problem. That was exactly what happened.
Just gotta be on it.
Yeah, that's because it hit and it just like slipped.
Yeah.
I'll probably let him go a little bit and then I'll go and then.
Okay, I'll go last.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Somebody caught it.
I don't like this wheel. The gear, bro.
Nope. Nope, I don't like this wheel.
All right, Jorge, we gotta do a missing man.
You're right. We should just go to Bayside.
Let's just go for the base side and fly.
You freaking rebels.
I don't care. At this point, I don't care enough. I don't care anymore. I have charged batteries, I need to discharge them.
Honey, I came to discharge.
Taking off! But these guys are not even watching it.
I can see. Oh, those. I don't know about those guys. Oh.
His ass is pointed out to the runway. Yeah. Shit, I'm not flying over here. No, I don't. No, I care about my plane too much. I'm gonna fly this and see how I feel after that. My ailerons were so out of gear. I don't know what happened.
The plane's been sitting for a couple weeks.
Mike! Mike!
They're like totally oblivious.
Can I take off? Can I take off? Keep your eyes open, guys.
Take off!
Woohoo! All right, back up, Frankie. Making a pass from the left.
You good, Frank? Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm good now. There we go.
Don't stand on the runway, guys.
There is no distance over here as well.
No, over the freeway.
Sorry, over the freeway, yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, low pass from the left.
What kind of battery do you use?
4,000. China Hobby Line.
Don't do a scrap and go.
40C.
Hobbyland?
China Hobby Line.
I thought that one came. Seem like pretty good batteries. You get really nice power off of that.
Yeah, it's all stock. Nothing changed.
If you can fly the F-18, the F-5 will be good.
Yeah, F5 will go. It's just, you know, you have no room for error with landing, you know?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
No, it's probably passing. Oh, we got a crazy flyer. I mean, that fly is nice.
Explain.
I'm using more rudder than I usually would, but it's got lower wings.
Guys, I'm doing a fast slow pass from the left after Frankie goes by. I see you.
Don't brush over there, Frank, because there's a swamp. It's a non-recoverable area.
NRA, non-recoverable area.
Yeah.
Low pass from the left.
One minute over.
All right. Landing from the left, guys.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
You can't fly on Saturdays. It's operational. Dump trucks coming through there like every minute.
23.3 knots. Temperature 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
Landing as well, okay?
Yeah, I'll get out of your way. Come on in. Thank you.
Flaps up.